eat it now.
Right.
You know it's top everything, you know it's king already, you know it's my body, so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring, ring body.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Tashana here, and you already know the one and only Dave.
The one and only, the eternal.
Yes. In today's video, we're going to be doing a huge seafood boil.
Hey, old boy.
Yeah. And we're
Monster
using, what we're using?
No.
Oh, you said not snow crabs.
King crab.
Okay, so we're using king crabs, and we also have the legs.
That's what we're using, the king crab leg.
Yeah, the king crab legs, and then we have a huge Dungeness crab, where you said it's from California.
More than likely, Pacific.
Yeah. And we have some shrimp, we have some lobster,
Mussels.
some mussels,
Corn,
potatoes, all that good stuff. So we're going to be doing that, and if you guys are interested in seeing that, continue watching the video. It's going to be good. Okay, so we have the water going. Can you tell me what you have in the water?
All right, we got a bunch of seasonings and things in the water. We got lemon, we got spring onion, we got some dill, we got a little bit of thyme, and then we got a bunch of seasonings. We got some,
So all the seasonings over here.
got some seafood magic, got some lemon pepper, we got some paprika, some Old Bay, little adobo, some garlic powder, a little black pepper, little shrimp bouillon, a little bit of cayenne, and one bag of Zatarain's crab ball.
What?
That's how you
Wait, what?
Zatarain.
Wait, so we have the water going. So what we're going to do next. Yeah, that's going to take a while, so we have it going now, and what we're going to be doing
The
next.
shrimp up a little bit because we got the whole head-on shrimp. We got the big old, we got the.
Okay, so you have the shrimp with the heads on.
So we're gonna clean these guys up, take the little vein out of them, so they're ready to go. Everybody else is pretty much ready to go. We got Mr. Krabs here, still alive. Wait, alive, he's just cold.
So we have everything in here, and we're just going to be cleaning them,
Keep moving.
scrubbing them. The crabs are
Oh, he's warming up. He's so cold. Usually what happens is they get cold and then they don't move, but now he's waking up because he's getting warm.
What? Okay, so yeah, he's just gonna clean all this off and then add them to the water. Okay guys, so while the water is boiling, we're gonna start the butter. He put in 4 sticks, but I feel like we're gonna need more, so it's gonna add 2 more sticks.
Butter.
Did you see the amount of seafood?
Yeah, it's a lot of seafood, that's what I'm saying. So we're gonna have to either make it now or make it later, so might as well just make it now.
Yeah, so we have that going, and we're just gonna watch that. Butter melted fully.
Not a bubble, but just there. See some dill and some scallions. We put the butter with the garlic. And we're probably gonna take some of the butter out so it's like more just plain herb butter, and then we'll do the seasoned butter.
Gotcha. Alright, so we start that maybe.
Up a little bit. Chop all this butter. Get our hands Oh yeah. A lot of
Is bubbling.
Getting there a little higher. We want it. Almost there. It's just on the edge. Alright, here we go. A lot of garlic. A lot of garlic. Everybody loves garlic. Oh, what do you think? 2 more sticks of butter?
So good. Your call.
Yeah, might as well. A lot of butter, but might as well. Put the rest of it in there. We got it. Might as well use it. Alright, so we got the water starting to boil. It's about where we want it. We could probably turn it down a little bit. Yeah, you got it at like 8 or whatever, medium high on your stove. You can probably turn it down just a little. A decent boil, but not crazy hard. We'll probably turn it back up when we add some more stuff in. Get a little stir, get all these seasonings in there. Over here, we got the butter. Starting to foam a little bit. We got the garlic in there, working, kind of steeping together. We got some butter and some dill and some thyme in the back and some garlic. Cook the shrimp in. We're going to do the shrimp a little separately because that's how we want to do the shrimp. Maybe hit them with a little seasonings when we get there. Alright, we're going to add some herbs and stuff to the butter. We got some lemon that we already added to the butter and thing. We just peeled it and added a little zest. And we're going to add some thyme and a little bit of spring onion to the butter. Give it some nice, just gentle seasonings. This is how a lot of people would get it in a kind of plain seasoned restaurant. Even this is like more than what you usually get. I'm gonna put that in there. Garlic, herb, butter. And we might take a little bit out on the side. That way we have a little more plain, kind of less seasoned butter. We're gonna add a little bit of Morton seasonal. I know some people use the other seasonal, but Morton's is my favorite one. That's the best flavor as far as I'm concerned. So just a little bit. We got salted butter in there. We don't add too much. Maybe a little adobo. You know, add that lemony, salty garlic flavor in there. Just a little bit. And we'll let that work for a minute. This butter's getting hot, so we'll probably do the shrimp in a minute. Frying the shrimp.
Are we gonna put the potatoes in now?
Yeah, we could probably add the potatoes and the corn in, but we're gonna have to start moving quicker. Now we got a whole mess of potatoes and corn. We'll add them in. This butter's going too. Nice and buttery.
Alright, so guys, he pretty much didn't season it all the way. Because he doesn't want it to be super seasoned in case he doesn't like those super seasoned ones. I for sure know that I'm gonna prefer it having all the seasoning in there. So yeah. So that's what we're doing right now, okay? The shrimp, instead of boiling it, I feel like it's gonna be like overcooked if you put it all in the water. Yeah, and that's what we're doing. So we're just gonna get that going, and then we're gonna come back to you guys.
This one up.
Okay, so we're starting the shrimp now. add to the butter.
A lot of seasonings. Them melt into the butter. Butter get nice and dark. And we're gonna add a little bit of the liquid seasonings. We got a little lemon peppers, some Worcestershire. Do like 3 little capfuls. And we got some hot sauce. We got Crystal. Crystal's a solid one. Always like Crystal. You get that 2 dashes. We can always come back and dash some more. And we let that work for now. And then we'll come taste this butter. And we'll come back to it later, see if it needs anything more.
Okay, so shrimp need to be turned.
Yeah, we should probably turn these shrimpies. Oh, you know what? We almost forgot. Oh, did we do this?
We did.
Okay.
That's the one you were talking about.
Yeah. Alright. We're gonna grab these. You want to turn them? I'm gonna start getting the things in the pot. I can't eat them already. Look good.
The butter smells good. It smells very good.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah. Nice dippy sauce. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I almost got this water back up to boil here. I really want it.
Alright, so he's gonna add in the big guy.
So I'm gonna free him.
Adding in the big guy. Okay, so the water is back at a boil. And we're gonna add the Dungeness to it. Guys, I feel bad for him.
Poor Mr.
I feel
Snips.
so bad for him. And I'm scared too. Ah! Ah!
He don't like that.
He really needs
Look at him,
that.
he grabbed the
Oh
jump.
shit, I feel bad for him. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Look how quick he turned
Oh,
to.
wow. Wow.
He in there. Alright, we're gonna get the legs in there too.
Okay, ooh, look at those big legs.
All of this takes about 10 or 15. Maybe a little less for the legs, a little more for the whole crab. All gonna add some nice flavor. These crab legs are all technically cooked. They come, when they catch them on the boat, they actually cook them and then freeze them. So you can actually even cook them in your microwave if you really want. But this is gonna add a lot of more seasoning, but some people like them real plain. Look at this big pie here, and we still struggling for size.
Yeah, we thought it was like big enough.
It's in there. We can put these tails in here, but these are the ones that need to come out the quickest. It's these tails. And we're gonna ice those down as soon as they come out so they don't keep cooking. Those are only gonna get about 6-8 minutes. We're gonna check it. Maybe 10, but not as much. And then we got mussels over there, but we're gonna cook those last because mussels, you just watch them when they open, and that's a whole different thing than shellfish, really. So you put this lid on, let that bubble, let everything cook, and I think by that time the potatoes and the corn should be close as well. Take a little peek. Yeah, look at all that in there. Look at that in there. Let that work.
Okay, so we're just adding them to the ice water.
I would say these crabs should be ready to do as well because they're already cooked. We're just gonna put them right in the pan.
Okay guys, so he just added the mussels, and once they open?
Yep.
Once they open, we know they're done, and then we're just gonna add it. Okay guys, so we just got done, and this is the finished look. We had to use 2 containers, so, and we still have some more in the pot. So there's the lobster, there's the shrimp, the corn, the crab, some onions, some dill, and just some scallions for garnish. But yeah, this is the finished look. It's gonna be so good. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna be eating for days. Is there a drink for tomorrow?
I know, just tasty.
Yeah, we're gonna be sharing with his parents. So yeah guys, smells and looks delicious. If you guys want to let us know how you guys do it, let us know in the comments if we did anything different than you as usual, or let us know if you're going to be trying the rest or whatever. Let us know in the comments if you're going to be trying it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.